How to remove a personal from a photo. Snapseed. If you are new at Snapseed, go to Play Store. Search for Snapseed. Install Snapseed. Once done, open the Snapseed app. Import a picture from gallery you want to remove a person. Picture imported. Click on Tools at the bottom. Select Double Exposure. Click at the picture frame plus option at the bottom. Import same picture from gallery. Drag the picture from right to left as shown on screen. Place the picture just right to other. Click on Opacity and make the opacity to 200. So the pictures get dimmed. Click on Tick. Select the icon as shown on screen. Select View Edits. Select Double Exposure. Select the brush at the mid. Do the brush on the whole picture so it gets removed. Go back. Select Tools. Select Healing. Apply the healing brush on the picture. Select Done. You will see the picture without person. You can also apply the filter on picture which goods fit. Go to Export and save the picture. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.